Oh boy. Audacity, like I guess a little bit, guys, but come on, that was sick. Like literally the talent of these drivers. I can't even imagine trying to pull that off. And I mean, for real, like they said, these stunts are performed by trained professionals. Do not try this at home. And if I tried that at home, I would be no more. There would be no more home. There would be no more car. I would be done. That is elite. What was this guy think? Oh my God, what was this guy thinking? What were you doing, bro? Just like literally, like where are you going, man? Like he's just cut through everything. Like
don't know what I was thinking.
It's not.
Dude. Man, that looks to me, I don't want to call somebody out for you know, something that maybe they didn't do, but like guys, like this guy could very easily be intoxicated right here. Like that does not look like a sober individual behind the wheel. At the very least, he needs to get out of his car right now and like just like give his head a shake, be like, where am I in my day right now? What the hell am I doing? That's like full up dangerous, guys, especially the cut across the road. And then he cut across more grass. And there's cars on it too. Like what if a car just falls off onto the road, you know, like holy moly, man, that is scary. What do we have going on here? Finally, he woke up and moved on the right side of the road. Oh, my dude. Yeah, people like that, when I see them, I'm like, I do not want to be driving behind you anymore. Because this is scary to me. Like, this could literally be the end of me if you decide to do something crazy.
Stay away from me.
Not done yet? What are we doing? Oh my God, guy. Wow, my guy is, he's totally out of it right now. Completely out of it. Wow, okay, yeah, definitely a poor driver there. We gotta understand what side of the road we're supposed to be driving on, folks. That's kind of critical information. Oh, there's no lane here. There's like, I was like, oh, well, my dude didn't indicate. He's got to be careful. There's no lane for that car. He just went directly over the freaking sidewalk. Oh, whoa. I get it. Sometimes we lose focus for like a second, guys, but come on. That's bad. That is very, very bad. Truck that is too high, and I missed it right there, guys. Oh my God. That's so bad. That's so bad. Literally the entire bridge comes down. Holy crap, God, that's so scary. If you're a car on the other side, you'd have no idea that this is happening, and just this bridge comes crashing down on you. My goodness, God, we gotta get the height things checked here. Like, oh my God. Okay, I think I understand what it said. Oh my God. Jeez, I would never want to be a truck driver, guys. I think it'd be just like so much pressure all the time, like this massive thing. You know, it's like I've gotten in enough car accidents in my own tiny little massive 3, let alone a thing like that. But I mean, if you are gonna be one, you kind of need to know like how much stuff we're allowed to have on here, you know? Lady that wants to take shortcuts under all circumstances. Okay, we're over there. Anyone want to talk to her? That's a little dangerous what she just did right there. Somebody gonna talk to her? That's a little bit, you know, like first off we were coming from the wrong lane. like literally number one, we are coming from the wrong side of the road right now. And just like slowly moving our way over, no regard for like what anyone else is doing right now in their vehicles, their motor vehicles that they are driving at a high speed, just slowly inching our way over. Wow, okay.
The audacity.
What does that say? I'm not sure what that word is, guys. Wow, okay, that was pretty dangerous, my dude. That was pretty dangerous. You know, it's like there's a thing for a reason, and you are in front of that thing. And honestly, it's like, I don't know why my dude didn't just like go through. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just looked at the picture. Oh, I guess because there would have been another one of those blockers on the other side. I think. Yeah, it's like, and he wouldn't have been able to. Wow, you got caught in a horrible position, my guy. That is a really bad spot to be in. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. What are we doing here, man? That's actually really impressive. That is seriously, I never would have been able to, guys. My car, boom, right off the cliff. That is literally a feat. Like, still very dangerous. Like, would not attempt, and like, your poor bumper. This is impressive though. This is actually pretty impressive. Wow. You need some serious audacity to even try that. But honestly, like, kudos. Good one. What are we doing here? There isn't any car on this side, so easily you can start to straighten out the car. Okay, we're straightening out the car. A little more on the side. Okay. He's starting to floor it. You know what? He's definitely being, you know, a new driver, like taking his time and like suave, bro, suave. But wow, yeah. Careful, suave. You're in the middle of the road, dude. Why are you in the middle of the road? Okay. Okay. Straighten it out. And now careful. Oh! Okay, I knew something was coming eventually, guys. I was like, not great for that one car that just got annihilated at the end there. Damn. I remember back when I was a new driver. I wasn't this bad, actually. Like, I definitely wasn't this bad. I felt like I was more comfortable behind the wheel for sure. But, yeah, that's a little rough. Oh my god, dude. No, no, no. Okay, this is why you don't get out of your car in the middle of the road. Like, that is literally all the cause of road rage. Like, my dude did that to himself, guys. He was pissed off at this other car. Granted, I don't know what that other car did to him. But still, like, if you're gonna do that, especially if you are gonna do that, like, just make sure to put the handbrake on, man. Like, come on. Like, you know, now you're at fault. Now it's like, boom, you are immediately at fault here. What are we doing here? Yeah, what the heck is going on there? First off, like, what are these squiggly lines on the road? You know, like, whoever was like supposed to be putting the lines on the road, like, very clearly, like, they had a little bit too much, you know? Cause like, these are not straight. Although I guess maybe, I don't know, like, maybe that's a style over wherever this is. I'm not sure where this clip is. What are we doing here? But I think that my dude didn't go on the road in the second half of that clip. So I don't know if that's audacity or if that's just like maybe we need new glasses, you know? Comment down below what you think. Anyways, guys, those were some drivers who had some serious audacity. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Your worst driving experience as well, whether it be you driving or somebody else behind the wheel. I'd love to hear it. Also, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Nicholas Playlog, and I'll catch you next time.